Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to export multiple images from Excel. Okay, now see this. I have a Excel sheet example. Simply go to file, save as, select your locations. Example, I select desktop, type your file name. Now select, we find this web page. Enter workbook or republish sheet. I select sheet, only this sheet. Okay, now click save, publish. Again, now see this, how to export multiple images. Open your folder. Now see this, automatically export multiple images. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.